Hey Kate, it's Nika here. I'm just doing a quick tutorial to show you how to work with MailChimp uh, landing pages, which is not really a landing page, but we can create it. So I'm in a test list here and I'm just going to get rid of the last name field in the build it. So I'm just going to delete that field because I don't want to ask for the last name. You should also know that the more information you ask for, the smaller will be your conversion rate inside the actual what's it called, when it actually helps. Okay, so now to design it, you can obviously edit each of these sections, so you can just click edit and here's the title. So this is the headline or hook, same thing. You can now highlight that text. You can go up here, you can center align it, you can go to font, you can change the font, you can also change the size, so you want to make this really big. You can change the font color, make it red, and then save and close. So now this is in the middle aligned. Now you want to add an image, so add a message, so we click on the image tab. I just use an image I have saved in here. This is an old account, I don't really use it. I want the width to be, say, 500 is good. 500. The height should automatically change. There you go. Just keep proportions, save and insert image. Now I want to insert in the middle. Let's see whether that's inserted in the middle. Should be. There you go. It's actually not in the middle. So I just click the image and image style, align, center. There you go. You can also add margins, which moves it a little bit from the left or the right, but I don't need to worry about that. Center align, save and close. Yeah, still not perfect, but that's how you do it. And obviously if you wanted to add some text, you would add text. Let's see here. This is the descriptive text. Obviously I'm writing it all in capitals, which is wrong. You shouldn't do that, but I'm just showing you as an example. So I just paste that a couple of times and align it in the middle as well. There. And I want to quickly double check this. Image border none. Align center. Yeah, that should be. I don't really need to do any of these. I don't know why it doesn't align it. It should align it in the center. But this is how I have it. And then subscribe to list, forms, field text, field labels. Let's see here. I know you can change this subscribe to list here as well. Just trying to find it. Let's see here. Page. Body header, outer wrapper, background, default text, link style, translated. Let's see, I think. I know I've created I'll find the video where I actually talked about this. I can't quite remember where it is. But you can actually change the button URL, okay? So you can change the text on here and the color as well. So I'll find that video. I think it's in the hub. So now we just grab the URL for this and we go in a new tab and see how it looks. And yeah, this is your / landing page with MailChimp. It still hasn't aligned the image properly, but it should have done that according to my settings. But really, it's not a big deal. So you can also align the image left or to the right of the text. So if it's a smaller image, you can align that and then it looks good as well. And really, ideally, you want to have the opt-in box, like the email and first name field, above the fold. So that means before people scroll. So in that case, the image is way too big. So I'll go back into the image, double click the image, and I'll make it, say, 150 wide. Key proportions. It was 500. Shouldn't have done that. Go back to here. So now I go and make it 150 wide. There you go. And I want to now align it to the right hand side of the text. See, now it's aligned to the right. Okay, so let's just say we want to align this text on the left, obviously, and we're just gonna put that a couple more times, pretending this is a proper paragraph. Save and close. Then we go over here, we refresh the page, and now you can see this is aligned to the right of the text, and the actual opt-in box is above the fold. Okay, so with MailChimp you're very limited. You can't actually add more text below here. That's the problem. When you're building a landing page with MailerLite, for example, you can do all that. You can have several opt-in boxes on the page, which is a proper landing page. This is really just an opt-in form that acts as a landing page, because you get a specific URL that you can then share, but you would never share that URL anyway. You would go to bit.ly and create a bit.ly from that. So you go to bit.ly and you would then log in. I've got a free account, so you can create a free account with them, and then you just click on create bit link, you paste the long URL, and then you can name it. You just call it, let's see, this is your energy challenge. It might have already been taken. See, the bit.ly is taken, so you can't use it. Somebody else has used it, but you can make it, what is it now? August 2017. And that works. So now you would advertise this URL with the bit.ly in front and share that with people. So you copy that, and then you just go and paste that into any browser to test it, and it will redirect to your landing page. There you go. Okay, so this is what you would do if you used MailChimp. If you have questions, just email me, let me know. I'm happy to explain.